Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable two-factor authentication on Line application. To set up two-factor authentication on Line, first of all, open your Line application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page of Line, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up the settings menu where you need to click on Account. Under Account, scroll all the way down and look for the two-factor authentication option. And now toggle the switch on right next to two-factor authentication. Soon after you do that, you will be able to enable the two-factor authentication on your Line application. Now, whenever you try to log into other web services with Line, you'll need to go ahead and complete the two-factor authentication in order to get access to your Line account. So that's it. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.